fast food and fried food. So, why do Malaysians love this kind of food? For fast food, Malaysians love it because it's quick, it's easy to get, it's convenient for them. And Malaysians also love it because Malaysians like to have their food on the go. And it's kind of treat for themselves. For fried food, Malaysians love it because of the fats. Fats help you enjoy the taste of the food. They are able to dissolve and concentrate the flavor. So, let's talk about the texture. Fatty foods have a special mouthfeel, a special texture. It is hard to imagine it, but whenever you bite the food, it tastes amazing. That's why we choose to create the fresh vending machine. It's combined two elements, which is fast food and fried food, so that we can let people enjoy it. Fry is an example of the famous snack around the world. There are so many ways to enjoy it, and here we are going to give some detailed explanation about how our vending machine works.
Firstly, put the amount of money that is required. Secondly, choose the type of sauce that you want. Next, take out the sauce box. Take the sauce and throw the empty box into the recycle bin. Finally, after 2 minutes, take out the hot chips. Don't forget to take the lid, close it, and then shake it. Your fries are ready to eat. Once the client has inserted the money and chosen the sauce, the machine will begin the process of frying the fries. First, the fries will be pushed by the extruder to the balance until the amount has been set. Then, the fries will be dropped into the deep fryer. The deep fryer has been set to the temperature of 180 degrees Celsius, and it will be cooked for 2 minutes. To surpass the acrylamide formation, controllable frying conditions allow for the formation of a crust that able to minimize the fat uptake and reduce the acrylamide formation. In this work, we focus on developing the controllable fried food vending that able to form the crust faster and later to apply the better coating to substrate to minimize the oil uptake. Once the fries has been cooked, it will then be transferred into the bowl. The client will be notified to collect the hot chips.
In the future, we hope that we can commercialize this vending machine. At this moment, we hope that investors are interested to invest in our vending machine. so that we can further improve and produce better product in the near future.